Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Piyush Durolkar and you're watching BitNews India. Now guys, we are all back from our Diwali holidays and now we're going to post the videos regularly once again. Now to start with today, the BTC buy is at 4,76,408 rupees and the BTC sell is at 4,60,382 rupees. Now the last time when I did this video, the Bitcoin was hovering around the rate of 3,12,000 to 3,13,000 rupees, and now it has grown by almost 1,40,000 rupees. So I'll be doing a detailed price analysis of why the Bitcoin has raised so much and to where it will go from now. Now our top gainers for today are the Groesty coin on the first, which has increased by 40.19% in the past 24 hours. The second is the Loopring coin. It has increased by 27.29%. And the third is the Golem coin. It has increased by 17.39%. Now, out of these three coins, these two coins, the Loopring and the Golem coin, are good coins. So you can watch these coins out. And if you feel like doing a short-term trade on these coins, then it might be very profitable for you. Now our top investments, Bitcoin is at the first. The second is the ATB coin, because when the Bitcoin surges, all the altcoins, they either fall or they are very stable. So the coins which are very stable are to be used for the short-term gains, and as well as if you want to park your funds in futures, these are the best coins. So that's why I've chosen ATB coin as the second coin. And the third is Bitcoin Cash. Now why Bitcoin Cash? Because Bitcoin is already gone through a hard fork last night, and which will also lead to the prices increasing much more than they are right now. And through that, Bitcoin Cash will also gain some momentum in its graph. So if not much, then you can go and invest in Bitcoin Cash for futures market. So guys, in the news section today, the major increase for the Bitcoin is a news that came in that the CME group, it's a financial group based out of the US, and it is operating the world's largest options and futures exchange. So they have via a tweet announced on 31st October that they will now be opening an option of futures trading for Bitcoin. Now no other exchanges as of today have done that, which will accept Bitcoin for futures, but now they are trying to set up, and they have confirmed that they will set it up very soon for Bitcoin, and then people can put in their money in whichever currencies they accept and trade Bitcoin for futures too. So this single news has made Bitcoin go from 4,20,000 to 4,75,000 that is there right now. That is an increase of 50,000 rupees in just one day. This is predicted that this news is 100% confirmed, and that it will go down that road. Now in second news, the Arkansas City Police has now developed their own cryptocurrency to track criminals. Now why did they have to do this? Because there were some cyber crimes going on in that state, and some drug deals or some parts of child pornography that are completely banned in the US were being circulated through dark web and the internet itself. So what they did is they have created their own cryptocurrency so that they can track these dealers, because these dealers do not accept payments in USD or any other conventional currencies. They accept the payments only through Bitcoin, and as you know that Bitcoin is not traceable as such, so they have made new cryptocurrencies that will enable them to catch such people and reduce crime. Now guys, there's a very important news that I want to tell you people. As you know that there is an exchange called the Novaexchange. It's a very big exchange. It is housed some of the most fluctuating and most big coins that are there right now. The Novaexchange will now shut down on 1st April 2018. It's been confirmed. So any of you who have created accounts on Novaexchange will soon get a mail or would have already got an email which says that it will shut down. So even if you don't, you have 6 months, around 6 months or 5 months you can say, to liquidate everything and get your funds out of Nova, because at 1 April 2018 it will shut down completely. And basically what has happened is that they will be selling their web exchange to someone new, and all the executives and the management will be brand new, so they will want to work as a separate unit, and that's why they're shutting it down. Now as far as ADCC is concerned, for us Indian people, you must be very aware about the cryptoinbox.com scam that had happened. If you don't, I would strongly recommend that you stop all your dealings by cryptoinbox.com, even if you are doing such. And if you have also been scammed out of that, then you should go and file a complaint, because if more and more people go and file a complaints against that person, Subhash Jayavaria, more strict actions would be taken against him. So guys, welcome to the price analysis for Bitcoin today. Now, as you know that when we last met, the Bitcoin prices were hovering around 3,12,000 rupees, 3,15,000 rupees. These were the rates, and then I told you guys that it would surge along, and then I think I made 1 or 2 videos where the prices had gone up till 3,60,000, 3,70,000 also, and it was a consolidating price for Bitcoin at that time. And now it has eventually very gradually and smoothly increased from that position, and it came down to rupees 4,20,000. But after that, it reached the 4,20,000 mark on, I think, the 31st of October. In the morning it reached. But after that, what has happened is, because of various news going around and the investor market setting up so big, the Bitcoin has surged up to 4,75,000 rupees as of today in just one day. So, whenever a surge of something like this happen, there is a fair bit of chance that a correction will come, in which Bitcoin may fall up to 30 to 35,000 rupees. So, in whatever position you have right now, sell 50% of it completely, because if you have been watching my videos from the start, where I've been telling you to buy Bitcoin, you must have bought it at 3,50,000, 3,60,000, and many of you people would have bought it out at 2,80,000, 2,75,000 also. So the BTC sell is at 4,60,000 rupees today. So whatever positions you have, just sell off 50% of it, and you can book heavy profits out of it. And that was our goal in the beginning. And if you can still maintain your position, do so. But I will still suggest that you sell off 50%, wait for some time, and then you can reinvest only the money that you have put in before. You won't get the same number of Bitcoin, but at least the ratio will remain same, and then you will be able to earn the same amount of money or the same amount of principal. Now remember, if you are buying the Bitcoin as of today, because even today I have put it in my top investment list on the first, because only Bitcoin is surging. Because of that, all the other altcoins have come to a halt or are falling bit by bit, but Bitcoin is still surging. So if you are buying it at today, I would suggest that you put a stop loss of 4,35,000 rupees on that, so that you don't incur heavy losses, and once you sell it, you can buy it again at lesser prices, and then again wait for the prices to come at 4,75,000 rupees. But if suppose it doesn't happen, the Bitcoin prices don't fall that much, then you are already in profit. Now we have to remember that the next resistance level for Bitcoin is at 4,95,000 rupees as predicted by us. Now if it crosses this position, then 5,25,000 rupees and 5,30,000 rupees is not as much as far as we were thinking it could have been before. So now I would suggest that you should buy Bitcoin right now, or you should at least wait for some time for it to cross the resistance level mark. But whatever it is, if you already have Bitcoin, I will strongly suggest that you sell 50% of your position. So that's it guys for today. Now it's been a long break since I have put my last videos, but from today onwards, that is the 1st of November, I'll be regularly posting videos once again for you. And as you can see that the Bitcoin market is growing very hard, so I'll be doing predictions for altcoins, and I'll be doing them per BTCC and not per INR, so that you have an easier angle to understand what's going on around you. So if things are working for you, please like, comment and subscribe the video, and share it with your friends too. So I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.